Hi, welcome to Precalculus. Topic today is converting an equation written in polar form to one written in rectangular form. Problem type 2. Type 2 just means a little bit more complicated than type 1. Let's just remind ourselves again what's the relationship. We said we have a regular Cartesian system or rectangular system. This is the point with coordinate x, y. It's also the point with coordinates r, theta. These four numbers, this is x, this is y, this is r, and this is theta. And r squared is x squared plus y squared. Tangent of theta is y over x. On the other hand, x is equal to r cosine theta, and y is equal to r sine theta. With these four, we can easily go back and forth between these coordinate systems. For example, the first one, how can we convert it to rectangular? Easiest thing is to multiply the two sides. So I have r times 9 cosine theta minus 2 sine theta is equal to 3. Multiply it by r. 9r cosine theta minus 2r sine theta is equal to 3. Now remember, r cosine was x, r sine was y. So that equation is just our familiar straight line from Algebra 1. When you write it in polar, it looks a bit more complicated. How about the second one? This is a little bit more tricky. We have r is equal to minus 6 sine theta. Easiest way to handle this is to multiply both sides by r. So I multiply r is equal to minus 6 r sine theta. I multiply by same quantity on both sides. Now this is r squared, and r squared is what? X squared plus y squared. And that is, r sine is 6y. So what we got is x squared plus y squared, x squared plus y squared, if you want to bring the 6y to this side as well, equal to 0. If you're wondering what this thing is, let's do the completion of square dance. So what should I add onto both sides so that this becomes a complete square? Simple. When this coefficient is 1, divide this by 2, you get 3. 3 square it, you get 9. This is 9. Add 9 to both sides. So now what do I have? X plus y plus 3 squared is equal to 3 squared. Excuse me, x squared. So where is this? This is a circle whose center is at 0 and minus 3. So if you remember from your Precalculus 1, here is a circle of the center is 0 minus 3, and the radius of it is also 3. So the final answer is this one. I was just explaining what this thing is, and so in polar, our equation looks a bit easier maybe than what it does in rectangular. Here's another one. R is equal to 10 sine theta. R is equal to 10 sine. We can do what we did above, multiply both sides by r. So this is 10r sine theta. We learned that this is x squared plus y squared. And we learned that this is y. This is the equation that we are after for this. This is a repetition of what we had before. Again, you multiply both sides. R minus 2 cosine theta minus 3 sine theta is equal to 5. R cosine, we learned that that is x. R sine, we learned that that is y, equal to 5. Now you can rearrange this thing however number of ways, and that would be solution of this equation. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this, and that you're successful in your career and your calculus class. Okay, until we meet again, good luck and God bless.